Okay, Batida, you are on.
Yeah. We start again or what?
Yes, Batida, start again.
Okay. Thanks, Pushkar, for allowing me to join this meeting through Zoom for a farewell for Ambassador Jaideep and Parvati. As you all know, Ambassador Jaideep was very much instrumental in having the IBF takeoff, and he was the one behind what IBF is today. Thanks to Ambassador Jaideep, and as he relocates to Vienna, we wish him all the best. And I understand that this is not only just Vienna, but he'll be also looking after other UN functions. So congratulations, Ambassador Jaideep, and all the best to you and Parvati.
Thank you, Batida. Now, the over to Mr. Ramesh. Mr. Ramesh, you have to unmute.
Hi, Ambassador Jaideep. You had really been a guiding force for IBF right from the day of start, and of course, a motivational factor which has pulled us to this level because of the energy levels, what you had shown, and the amount of directions, what you had given, the positive ones, puts us into more stronger responsibilities to take up in the coming future. Wishing you all success in all your endeavors. Wishing you good luck. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Sipani. Please unmute.
Hi, Excellency. Thanks for all your support to IBF and in particular to Indophil. You're always approachable. You always try to help us. Special thanks to you for support to Mahavir and choosing Mahavir as one of the centers for the visit of Prime Minister as well as the President of India. I personally admire you for your simplicity, for your clarity of thoughts, and for your clarity of expression. Shall always like to take this opportunity to thank Madam for all her initiative in the social field. We'll miss you. Thank you very much. Take care. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, Sipani bhai. Over to Mr. Asim.
Good afternoon, His Excellency. Let me first call out, as on a personal level, I've always seen you as somebody who's extremely humble, approachable, and a very fine diplomat who has always come out forthright and being helpful to the employees and the citizens of India who are based in Philippines. Your contribution to the community and the IBF has been of immense and tremendous help. You have brought the relationship forward. I think the kind of partnership that India and Philippines have today has grown leaps and bounds under your leadership. Hope you continue doing the great work in your new assignment. And it was a pleasure working with you. And it was a pleasure knowing you in person and both professionally. I wish you all the best in your new assignment, which is no less, and it's extremely important for India as well. It was also of immense pleasure for both me and my wife to know you and your family, Madam Parvati Majumdar, an excellent lady again. We'll miss you for sure. And thank you so much for all your help and support right throughout these many years. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Asim. Over to you, Mr. Manoj.
ज़्यादा बोल दिया क्या? ठीक है.
Manoj bhai, you need to unmute.
Thank you, Ambassador sir. You are a great leader, and thanks for all your support to this IBF. You've always been supportive to all the sectors, and you really helped pharma sector to grow in Philippines. I know that you are approachable always for any issues, any concern. Whenever we raised, you always took it to the higher authorities and tried to help us. Thank you again. And I wish that you'll have a great time in Austria. It's a beautiful country. Good luck, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Manoj Bhai. And last words from my side. I cannot thank you enough, Mr. the Honorable Ambassador. I think formation of the India Business Forum was a landmark. I think, the kind of thought leadership and the vision that you have shown in actually, the contribution of the embassy towards the Indians in the Philippines and towards the bilateral relationship between India and Philippines has been so exemplary. I personally want to thank you because, me and my wife have been very close to you and your wife, and the kind of relationship we have had with you and from Madam's side on the Bharti side has been absolutely great. And also to actually reflect or echo Mr. Sipani's words about Mahavir Foundation. I think that has been a great the area of contribution. So once again, from all of us at IBF, thank you so much for actually forming this think tank, this association, which we hope is going to continue and contribute to India-Philippines relationship going forward. And we wish you the very, very best from our side, on behalf of all the members of IBF in your new assignment and for your future, for you and Madam. Thank you so much, and God bless. So, the by the word. Go ahead.
Honorable Ambassador Shri Jaideep Majumdarji, India Business Forum Philippines Association, Inc., IBF, presents you this token of appreciation in recognition of your exemplary leadership in promoting the bilateral relationship between India and Philippines, and your outstanding support and guidance to the entire Indian community in the Philippines, and in particular to IBF and all its members. As the saying goes, a true great pioneer is very hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. That had been the impression what you have made on each one of us here. Respectfully given this 14th day of June of 2020 at Manila, Philippines, signed by Mr. Pushkar Mishra, the President, and yours truly.
Thank you.
On behalf of all the members of IBF,
There you have it.